Important PDFs should be protected, whether it's personal documents, contracts, or reports. If you don't want others to copy or print your file, I'll show you how to lock it with a password using one simple tool, Systweak PDF Editor. Let's see how to secure PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. Open the desired PDF file in the application. Once open, at the top menu, click on the Secure tab, then select Protect. Here you can enter and confirm the password that will be required to open the PDF. After entering the password, just click on Protect PDF and your file will be locked. But there's more. Systweak also offers advanced protection options. Click on Advanced Security to see them. In this section, you can set a password to open the document and another password to control changes to security settings. You also get options to manage how the PDF can be printed. You can restrict printing completely, allow only low-resolution printing, or allow high-resolution printing. You can also control what kind of editing is allowed. For example, you can block all changes, allow only inserting or deleting pages, allow changes to the content, or enable commenting, form filling, and signing. There is also an option to allow or block text copying. If you leave it unchecked, copying will be disabled. At the bottom, there's a drop-down where you can choose which version of Acrobat your PDF will support for better compatibility. Once you are done with all the settings, click on Save. That's it, your PDF is now secured. When you open it again, it will ask for the password. We advise you to either remember the passwords or write the password at the secure place, because without these passwords, you won't be able to open the file. You'll also notice that printing is disabled and text copying doesn't work. So this is how simple it is to protect your PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. You can scan the QR code visible on the screen to download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the website. You can watch the other tutorials by clicking on the playlist link given in the description. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. It's a small click for you, but it keeps us going and brings more helpful content your way. Got a question or stuck somewhere? Drop it in the comments and I'll personally reply and try to help every viewer. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.